Major severe thunderstorm watch has been issued across central U.S. states, putting millions at risk. Areas of southwest Arkansas, northwest Louisiana, southeast Oklahoma, and northeast Texas remain under watch until 9 p.m. Central Time. Additional watch zones extend into northwest Arkansas, southeast Kansas, southern Missouri, and eastern Oklahoma until 6 p.m. Central Time. Forecasters warn of large hail, wind gusts up to 75 miles per hour, and a real risk of embedded tornadoes. Drought-affected regions may welcome rain, but even 1 to 2 inches could trigger localized flash flooding. If you're in a watch area, stay alert. Move indoors now, and monitor updates from NOAA and your local emergency officials.